Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to change your medical info in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Our phone have a little option here in settings, then safety and emergency, and medical info is here. When we enter here, we have very interesting options. For example, what does it do? Record your allergies, current medication, and other medical information so it's available in an emergency. You don't have to have it by yourself, you just have it everything in your phone. Name, medical conditions, everything, allergies, current medications, blood type, everything you want to add here, and don't forget to save options. And now all your medical informations will be in our phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.